Hello everyone. Now, this is what I'm missing. The bolts are still there. Ford doesn't make them. And the best place I can find is $21 each. $21 each. And they wanted $8 per bolt. I went to my local parts store. And 10 millimeter by 1.5. I went to the Lowe's. And what did I get? Oh, it doesn't say, but it's M10s, 45 and 50, just in case. And that cost me $5 for 4. This costs $3 for 2. Yeah. So even if Ford had it, I'd be broke. So let's see if it fits in the original. Yes, it does. Now I do hope I can use the originals, because that means trying to get this off. So there you go, YouTube. You don't always have to buy Ford parts. Now, unfortunately, that means I got to remove the tank, which I don't think I'll film. So let's start this.